Hey there, welcome to IntelBuild. Today, we're talking about our cool pre-engineered buildings, or PEBs. So, PEBs are like super smart buildings that combine design, engineering, and construction in a really cool way. At IntelBuild, we're experts in making these awesome buildings. Why are they so great? Pre-engineered building works with engineering automation. It is completely on bolted assemblies, hence no welding on site. PEBs are built faster due to advanced engineering and pre-made components. Every part is made with high precision, ensuring accurate assembly and reducing construction errors. PEBs save costs by minimizing material wastage and using standardized components. PEBs can be easily customized for specific needs and can adapt to future changes. IntelBuild incorporates energy-efficient features, reducing long-term operational costs. Rigorous quality checks guarantee the reliability of every PEB structure. Choosing IntelBuild means choosing a faster, cost-effective, and precisely engineered solution for your construction needs. In a nutshell, IntelBuild is all about building tomorrow, today. Ready to join us on this cool journey? Let's make something amazing together.